How to clear data using text to column in your spreadsheet. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel. Now simply select the data and then hit Shift plus downward arrow in order to select all the data. You can also do it using your mouse and scroll down. After that, go to data. Now go to data cleanup. If you are using your Microsoft Excel, you will get an option of text to column, but in case of a spreadsheet, simply go to data cleanup. Then you can go to cleanup suggestions and it will give you suggestions based on your data and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.